Today I'm taking a train to Medina, the second holiest site of Islam. So I'm taking a train from Jeddah railway station, Al-Sulaymania railway station. So it's just over here, and this is the train I'm taking. Haramain High-Speed Railway. It will take less than 2 hours, and I paid around 140 or 43 Saudi riyals. So I was staying near Al-Balad, the city center. It took around 20 minutes to reach here by taxi, Uber taxi. I paid around, for that one I paid around 25 Saudi riyals. So 20 minutes, 25 Saudi riyals, Uber ride. I am right in front of the railway station. So I will show you the railway station. Very high speed train, only 2 hours. So that's the one pickup zone. There are so many apps, but Uber is doing very well, very fast and plenty. Within 1 minute I got the taxi, but that's from the near the Al-Balad. Railway station is very modern. You can see. Okay, so let's go inside. I may need to check in, give my ID, etc. So I booked the train 1 week ago. There were plenty of seats, so no issues. I think every 1 hour or so there are trains. But if you go to the official website, you can see all the train timings, and you can book online. You can see the seating arrangement, all the stuff. A very good pictorial representation is there, so it's very easy to book the tickets. The waiting area, entrance. Yeah, very high speed. I think during the Hajj season it will be very busy. Now it is not Hajj season, so it's okay. But Umrah is going on, the second most important pilgrimage, which happens all around the year. But Hajj is only for a very short time. That's why it gets very busy. Umrah is all the year round. Okay. So architecture wise, very good. Everything is very clean and neat. Looks like a mosque. Waiting area. So that's the one. Saudi Arabia Railways, Haramain High-Speed Railway. So I need to go to actually level 3. I have some time, so I may quickly show you a tour. I have 1 hour. Okay, arrivals. So arrivals, departure, red crescent, toilets. So this is, I believe, is ground floor. Supermarket over here. Starbucks, but that's closed. Then that's the northwest bus. I think they do long distance buses. That's the car parking. There is one shop here. Okay, they sell oud, I think, the perfume thing made of wood and all. So there is one supermarket here, Danube Dash. So this is on the floor, I think ground floor, through which I came here. So let me have a go on inside, have a look. I may need to buy something. Okay, so these are the train timings. It's almost there regularly. Looks like every half an hour. No, that's mix of Makkah and Madinah. Plenty of trains anyway. So I am taking the train to Madinah, I think around 11:30. There's a pharmacy here, right when you come up to the second floor. Oh, yeah, the floor after ground floor. So it should be the first floor. Another shop here, a Dunkin. So it looks like this may be a coffee shop. Okay, that's the way out, going down. Okay, arrivals and departures. So second floor, that's where the departures and arrivals happening. So I need to go up. So this is escalators that came from the ground floor to first floor, and you can see the pharmacy which I have shown you. Now just to the left side of the pharmacy is the ticket office. Okay. So that's the ticket office and the pharmacy. Okay, there's a baggage allowance, you can see. So it's similar to flights. There are some restrictions, important thing, and one handbag. So I came on the ground floor, then I took the escalators. The next level was called second, ground floor. Then again took escalators, and this is the third floor. Okay, and this has got a lot of offices here. It's a big terminal. So platforms. There's a platform departure in that direction, which will go at the end. Information desk. I saw one staff there, so it is manned. Then there are a lot of other offices here. I'll quickly go through. So rent a car, transportation and delivery, baggage pickup, and some sort of tools. So there are a number of offices here: budget, weeks, taxi, a Rehla taxi app. Okay, direction of Makkah and Madinah trains. So I am taking the one to Madinah. It's called Haramain High-Speed Rail. Salam mobile. Train tables. Okay, STL. Okay, those are the toilets. The clock is showing a wrong time, so I hope someone will sort that out. Okay. It's like a railway facilities. If you look at this set of trolleys. Okay, here you can see the outside of the railway station. Now that's the area where I was dropped off by the Uber taxi just over there. Then I came up here. Okay, basically the train station is of the airport standards. There's plenty of escalators, elevators, well signposted. No need to ask anything. The only thing is, it would be good if the staff can be more fluent in English if you are open to the world for tourism and all. Okay. So the shape of this looks like Kaaba in Mecca. Okay, that's the cost for trolley service with the labor, 25 Saudi riyals, without labor 5 Saudi riyals. So I believe you need to pay for this. It's not like the airport is free. There are some ticket machines which I believe is self-service for the high-speed railway. So ticket machines are on the other side also. So that's another information point here. Now this level is for departures. This is where I need to go. So what I will do, I will also go upstairs to cover the arrival area and come back. Okay, while I'm here, I can show you a bit outside. So private car pickup, drop off taxis and buses. Let me see. So that's just the outside, okay? Outside from the departure level. So those who are coming by their own cars and all, they can park somewhere here and then take the lifts and then go to this departure doors, Haramain High-Speed Railway station entrance. So those are the lifts I believe will take you to the car park. There are so many lifts are there, taxis. And from here I can get a very good view. So that's the outside of the Jeddah Al-Sulaymaniah railway station. So there are two railway stations in Jeddah. So there are two railway stations in Jeddah. One is somewhere near the airport. So once you get off the flight at the airport, you can take the high-speed train directly to Makkah, Madinah. So that is good for the Hajj and Umrah pilgrims. Those who want to come to the city and do some other stuff, they can come to the railway station which is in the city, which is just 20 minutes from the Al-Balad city center by Uber taxi. Okay, so those are just all car parks, I believe. Car parks, taxis, lifts up, and that's the station entrance to the departure level. So that's the other side. You can see green taxis waiting outside the railway station here. Green taxis, I used them only once and they are metered. straight away they put the meter. Plenty of taxis waiting for. Station entrance railway, no smoking railway station. I believe the fine will be 200 Saudi Riyals, I believe so, if you get caught for smoking inside the terminal. Okay, there is the ATM here, Bank Al-Bilad, CCTV is here. So Costa Coffee, not Costa Coffee, Starbucks. So I will take you to the next level up, which is the arrivals one. I have no need to go there, but just for the familiarization for those who are viewing this video, to give you an idea. So I believe this is the top floor, because you can see the ceiling and there are no floors on this level. I mean, there are no floors further above this. This is the top floor. So the top floor is arrivals, the floor below is departure. Okay, there is a counter there with a person waiting for arrival services. So any questions, I believe you can ask him and he may know a lot of answers. So toilets, female and male, are available on this floor. Information services there, and I believe that's the area going for. Yeah, you need to scan here. Those who are coming from somewhere to come into this station, they need to scan the ticket here, I believe, and this thing will open. So I'm going to make my way to the departure area. That's how the train looks like. Okay, there is the budget rent-a-car office is there. Then there is some sort of passport office is there. I don't know what it's for, because everything is internal. Makkah, Madinah. So I spoke to one of the staff here. He said my platform to Madinah is number 6, even though it's saying here Makkah station. So mine is number 6 to Madinah. Okay, here are 2 camels. The sculpture, very nice. As you can see, there are plenty of escalators. I've never seen anything like this, with plenty of escalators, one after the other, up and down. it's needed because, as I said, during the Hajj season, it will be very busy here because plenty of millions of pilgrims will be coming at one single time. Okay, by the side of Costa Coffee, you can see this prayer room and female toilets. Also there is first class lounge. And that's just nearby Costa Coffee, because you can see Costa Coffee right over there. So platform number 6 is Medina. This is where from where I will be taking my train.
لا ينزل من الدرج. شوف لا يكمل ما ينزل.
So that's the Medina train at 11:32. That's an overview of the platforms. You can see the electric lines going. So this is my train, 11:32. Train number 01110 to Medina.